Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of November the 24th to the 30th. We are smack dab in the week of Thanksgiving and following that Black Friday, and we're going to talk about the Black Friday deals at the very end. There are no big bonanza freebies like there were, like 10 plus years ago, but still some very respectful deals that we're pretty excited about. So just a quick reminder that Thanksgiving will be celebrated on Thursday the 28th. Your store might be completely closed or have modified hours, or the pharmacy area might be completely closed. What I do recommend is to call ahead. If you're living in a large city, such as Chicago, probably a couple pharmacies will be open, but if you're living in small town USA, you might have the whole Walgreens completely closed. And let's treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, the 24th. Most of us received these two, and they're not quite like a booster of spend 20 get back 5, but it's a 5 back when you spend 15 on P&G products. These are both online only, and the other one is to buy 3 get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Again, another online only. We'll have to investigate these as the weeks march on, but we're just going to have to wait and see how it presents itself. Now, for a lot of us that have been ordering the most cheapest 4x6 prints for like 49 cents or whatever the price is, a lot of us have been receiving a 5 back when you spend 15. This has been ongoing now for a little bit more than a week. If you want to roll the dice to try to get one of those magical boosters, by all means try, but it's not a given that you're going to get it. But most of us have been receiving them, multiple of them. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. I would be so grateful. Thanks so much, guys. Okay, so most stores have those Hershey's Kisses or anything with chocolate, super uber expensive, but Walgreens, part of their Black Friday, it's 50% off of the Hershey's Dove Mars Candy Holiday. So it's currently now $6.50 one of these bags, so I'm assuming it's going to be $3.25. If you went and did the glitch deal with the Oral-B last week, you have some $3 register rewards. Throw one of those in and pay 25 cents a bag. And your peanut butter blossom cookies have been rescued from the expensive prices of these Hershey's Kisses. I know on Instagram we've been talking about this for most of the week, and people are really upset by that. So you might want to stock up on this one specific product. Who knows if they're going to even increase the prices even more on this, which is really bizarre. But for $3.25, I would use Walgreens cash or register rewards, so you're paying a lot less. This is really my kind of Black Friday deal. A BOGO free on the Oscar Mayer bacon. You're going to find this in the cooler section over at your Walgreens. And if your store has nothing in stock, ask for a rain check if they might provide one for you. But this is a fantastic deal. A lot of people are always like, where's the food deals with Black Friday? Here it is, if you love bacon. This first deal we're going to look at is with one of these boosters. I know this one is expired, but it's just the visual of a 5 back when you spend 15. And we're going to grab a variation of 4 of these laundry products. So a pod, a liquid, a dryer sheet, fabric softener. 4 of these at $5.49 is $21.96. Get the cashier to scan your booster. There's typically about $5 in digital coupons that will melt off for you, and then you're going to pay $16.96 with your debit card. As the booster is a spend 15, get back 5. That's why for the balance you have to use your debit card. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash and a $5 register reward, making it $6.96 for the 4 items or $1.74 per. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay, but this is a fantastic price point for Tide. Deal that we're going to look at is the Dove shampoo for $4, $3 reward when you buy 2, and we're going to have a 3 off 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday. Grabbing 2 of these shampoos, it's going to be $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And a quick rule of thumb is to listen, are the register rewards printing for other customers, or ask the cashier, is that machine printing out the paper coupons? A quick question so you save yourself the trouble if it's not printing. Try later in the day or on Monday, but it's always wise to ask. Care deal of the week is the $4.50 Colgate toothpaste, mouth rinses, brushes, $3 coupon off of 2, and then a $3 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of the pastes for $9, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $3 for 2 or $1.50 per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And we have a 3 off of 2 digital manufacturer coupon for both the toothpaste and the brushes or mouth rinses. So you can do this 2 separate transactions. And $1.50 is a bit rich, but if you need to stock up on these and you think that's a fair price, by all means. In case you didn't do this deal last week, we're just going to revisit it using the 5 back when you spend 15 booster. I would order a print to see if it prints out. Why not? We're going to grab one of the blade refills or the cartridge refills for $14.99 and then a razor for $9.99. So one women's and one men's. That would be $24.98. Get the cashier to scan your booster. There's $4 digital coupons for both items. You'll pay $16.98 with your debit card. Get back a $10 register reward for Schick, and then $5 of Walgreens cash for spending $15. Get back $5. So the final price point here is $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per shaving product. Yes. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using a spend 15, get back 5, and the promotion for Schick is spend 20, get back 10. The word spend is in there. Now, I know not everybody is a big fan of Scott, so we're just going to change gears and go with Angel Soft this week. They are 2 for $9. We have a $1.50 digital coupon. So grabbing 3 of those, it's $13.50. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $12. Get back a $3 register reward. It's to buy 3 to get back a $3 register reward. It makes it $9 for the 3 or $3 per 6 count of the Angel Soft. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but I know that a lot of people will stock up on this for $3 a pop. We have my favorite back, which is the buy one get 2 for free on the complete home food storage bags. So you'll pay $2.79 for the first and get 2 for free. So it shakes it out to 93 cents per box of 20 bags, which is a very good price point. And guess what's $5? These 12 counters of the trial size, which gives you 12 per box of the Olay cleansing melts. Unfortunately, there are no digital coupons, but I will definitely be putting this into an online deal if it's going to be attaching. But I know a lot of us have been super curious about this. The one with retinol, I do want to try. So we're going to have to investigate this. Just throw that on the back burner. And then we also have these 50 count tall kitchen bags, probably 13-gallon bags. It's the most universal one. A lot of us that were doing that glitch deal with the Oral-B the week previous, if you have the 2 $3 register rewards, throw both of them against that and pay 99 cents for a box of 50 trash bags. That's what I personally would do. 99 cents is a fantastic price point. Another quick little deal is the $3.99 complete home paper towel or the toilet paper, but the toilet paper is usually a 12 counter. Again, with those $3 register rewards from the Oral-B glitch last week, it would be 99 cents each. Fantastic. So this is where we're going to hop into a lot of the Black Friday stuff. So the first is we're going to have various coupon codes starting on Sunday to use online, and hopefully the website is rocking and rolling because it's really been slow on Sundays and Mondays. 50% off the holiday Squishimals if you wanted to gift these for the holidays. This is a very good price point. We have a friend with a 2-year-old. This is a perfect gift, so I'm definitely going to be getting one. And the Modern Expression stainless steel tumblers. It's supposed to look like a Stanley. I believe it is a 40-ouncer. You know, this with a gift card would make a great gift, I think, for a teacher. It's a really cool gift, I think, and I love my Stanley. And the knockoff ones are just as good. And then we have 50% off of the number 7 holiday skincare gift sets. If you want to do a little Merry Christmas to you or gift this to somebody special, it's always nice when they're 50% off. Typically, these can run anywhere from $20 to $70. It's very expensive skincare. And we also have a $4 reward when you buy 2 on various bath, hair, and personal care gift sets. I love these gift sets. I'm a big fan of these. I love getting them. I love giving them. It's a win-win-win. And then moving it along, we have a buy 2, get 1 for free with the Hallmark holiday gift wrap bags and bows and gift wrap. It's always a little bit more, but why not with that promotion? We have BOGO free with the Walgreens Modern Expression candles. They look a lot like Bath and Body Works in my opinion, and Yankee candles will also be 50% off. Now, something I did notice was there usually is a 3-pack of the Yankee candles for like $30 at Walgreens, and this year is the new little 3-pack that's part of Christmas, but it is not Yankee Candle. It is the Walgreens brand. Very, very interesting. Very interesting. And we have 25% off of Essie Maybelline, those little gift sets, coupons, and then spend $25, get back a $5 reward. And for all the soda drinkers, buy 2, get 2 for free. I'm noticing that Coke is there. This might be a stock up time for these beverages. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.